In this video, I'll show you how to recover LinkedIn temporarily restricted account. If your LinkedIn account is temporarily restricted, the recovery path depends on why the restriction happened. LinkedIn says temporary restrictions can happen because of policy violations, identity concerns, suspected compromise, or automated third-party activity. The good news is that temporary restrictions are often recoverable if you follow the right process shown on the sign-in screen. To get started, go to the LinkedIn login page and try to sign in normally. LinkedIn says that if your account was restricted in error or if it needs identity confirmation, you should log in and follow the on-screen prompts. In many cases, LinkedIn will guide you through a recovery or verification flow directly from there. If LinkedIn asks you to verify your identity, complete that step carefully. LinkedIn says this recovery flow may use Persona, where you may need to upload a clear photo of a valid government-issued ID, driver's license, or passport. In some cases, you may also be asked to take a selfie so LinkedIn can confirm that the account really belongs to you. LinkedIn also says there may be other recovery methods in some cases, including a notarized affidavit of identity or work email verification when eligible. If the restriction is connected to a content or policy issue, LinkedIn says you may be given another chance to regain access after waiting 48 hours. After that period, you may need to sign in again and agree to comply with LinkedIn's professional community policies before access is restored. LinkedIn also says you can appeal the decision once if you believe your content followed the rules. If the restriction happened because of automated activity, LinkedIn says you should review and disable any browser extensions, bots, scraping tools, or third-party software that automates LinkedIn actions. According to LinkedIn, once the software is disabled, the account is automatically re-enabled at the time shown in the suspension notice. If you think the account was compromised, LinkedIn has a separate unauthorized access reporting form. LinkedIn says you should use that if you cannot access the account and believe someone else got into it or changed it. One useful tip is to watch your email closely during recovery. LinkedIn may send verification codes, recovery links, or security notices, and if you do not see them, LinkedIn recommends checking spam, junk, social, and promotions folders. So the simplest way to recover a temporarily restricted LinkedIn account is this: sign in, follow the restriction message, complete identity verification if asked, wait out the 48-hour period if it is a policy restriction, remove any automation tools if they caused the problem, and submit an appeal if you believe the restriction was a mistake. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.